Hi, my name is Christina Govinda with domesticfelicity.com, and today we're going to talk about how to make a candle decoration. For this, I'll be using a mason jar, some garland, a rusticated lid, and a tea light candle. If you don't have any rusticated lids, you can search used stores for one. I'm going to start out by putting my lid on the jar. And if you notice, we're not including this center part. We want our candle to be able to breathe. Then I'm going to take my garland and wrap it around the jar and connect the wire. And finally, a tea light candle. Use ribbon, rickrack, and then you can also use beans to put in the bottom around your candle. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Christina, and today we talked about how to make a candle decoration.